Hey y'all, Mo here with TechUpLife.com, and today I'm super excited because we are going to be taking a look at the Puraclenz P1500 PCO air purifier. And this thing may be small, but it's really mighty. As the name suggests, the Puraclenz P1500 is capable of cleaning up to 1,500 square feet. And it differs from most traditional HEPA air purifiers in that it relies on photocatalytic oxidation, or PCO. And this is a process that relies on ultraviolet light rays, as well as titanium oxide filters or titanium dioxide. There's a photocatalytic process which results in hydroxyl radicals as well as superoxide ions. And essentially, these superoxide ions and hydroxyl radicals are incredibly reactive electrons. So those combine with bacteria in the air or volatile organic compounds, VOCs, as well as chemically active compounds, or CACs. And it converts those pollutants and harmful contaminants in the air into harmless byproducts like carbon dioxide and water molecules. The Puraclenz P1500 has some really impressive specs. It boasts up to 1,500 square feet or 139 square meters of air filtration coverage. There's a washable foam pre-filter that has a 6-month lifespan, assuming 24-hour use. At its core, you'll find commercial PCO cell technology. It's ultra silent with 48 decibels. It's got dimensions of 11 by 5.1 inches or 27.9 by 13 centimeters. And it weighs under 3 pounds or 1.2 kilograms. With just 15 watts of power consumption, the P1500 is incredibly energy efficient. It's got a generous 6 feet long power cord. And you can install this thing by mounting it on the wall, ceiling, or just setting it on a table. There's decent build quality, and it's comprised of ABS, PBT, steel, aluminum alloy, and polycarbonate. The Puraclenz P1500 comes incredibly well packaged, and I gotta say, I really love the presentation. It comes in this fun tissue paper that is emblazoned with different viruses and bacteria. And there's a quick start guide in the box. Of course, if you've used pretty much any air purifier, then you're going to basically know how to use this thing. Just go ahead and plug it in, turn it on, and you're essentially ready to go. Now, one of the first things that I noticed about the Puraclenz is this thing is really small and lightweight. It comes in a box about the same size as a shoebox. And so it differs a lot from a number of the HEPA air purifiers that I have, which are often fairly large with sizable weight and footprints. But despite its small stature, the Puraclenz is still able to cleanse up to 1,500 square feet. So in the box, you will find the air purifier itself. And you're also going to find a number of other accessories. So there is an extra pre-filter, and that should last around 6 months. You'll find one bottom plate, and that can be used for actually mounting the Puraclenz if you want to install it on the wall or the ceiling. And there's some screws and drywall anchors and coarse screws as well. And you're also going to find a user guide, a warranty card, and even a fun sticker so that you can display your pride in cleansing your home with the Puraclenz P1500 air purifier. So you've got pretty much everything you need to go ahead and get set up and started. There's a lot to like about the Puraclenz P1500. Despite its small form factor, it's able to cleanse a large area of up to 1,500 square feet. The PCO cell breaks down harmful contaminants in the air like VOCs and CACs. And this combination gives you commercial grade air filtration in a small, lightweight, and portable device. It's also incredibly silent. This is one of the quieter air purifiers that I have. And one potential downside is there is no actual fan control on the unit itself. It just runs at a single fan speed. And the other thing to note about the Puraclenz P1500 is that it is a little bit pricey at around $400. But if you're really serious about indoor air quality, then the Puraclenz P1500 is really a worthy consideration. Let's go ahead and listen to how quiet this thing actually is. In the end, the Puraclenz P1500 is a phenomenal air purifier. It gets you commercial grade air cleaning capabilities for a reasonable price. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, I would highly recommend it. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Head over to the comment section and let me know what air purifiers you are using and what you would recommend. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications when we post new videos. And head over to techuplife.com where you can read some awesome editorial content like reviews of the Puraclenz P1500. Stay tuned for our next video, and in the meantime, make sure to give your life a tech up.